Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and my name is Makora. If you're new, welcome. If you've been part of the family, welcome back. So today's video is inspired by Nolene Said. That's her YouTube channel. She is a life coach, and I saw this look on her Instagram and I was just like, oh my god, I see myself rocking that look. So let me try and do the hairstyle, and I mean, it came out great for my first time. So usually I try things like 10 times before I get it right, but I think this came out pretty nice. I think it came out pretty nice, and yeah, I'm actually truly very impressed with how it came out, and you should stay tuned to see how this look was achieved. Hey guys, so I just sectioned my hair into 3 parts, and with the 3 parts that I did with my hair, I was gonna do them on camera, but it was just a lot sectioning the back part. But yeah, so I'm gonna take my eco styling gel, and with this I am going to put a small amount of gel on my hair. That way I can be able to slick it down. The smaller the better. So yeah, and this with as small as you can put it so it doesn't flake afterwards. So all you're gonna do after is just tie down your hair, and I just like to put a bit, well, I tried to put a bit of styling gel because I felt like it wasn't enough, and you will just continue with the same process for all 3 parts of the hair. So another tip I'm gonna give you guys, try not to put a lot of gel, and that way so it can dry quickly if you have the time to wait for it, because I realized that with mine it took me a long time to dry, a couple of hours to dry. So if you want it to dry as quick, try not to put a lot of gel. So now I'm gonna take my extensions and just section them into 3. Like, you can take whichever ones that you want, and these are the only ones that I had in the house. I don't even have the packaging for it, but anyway, all I'm gonna do is tie it all around my hair, and then I'm gonna twirl it and twirl it and twirl it, and I'll do that with each and every one of them. And then I will take my bobby pin and clip it down, take the next one, and what I do is I then wrap it and wrap it and wrap it. That's basically what I do with all 3 of them, and yeah. So basically I'm gonna take my bandana and just tie it down for until I'm done with my makeup, because I mean your girl's gotta go get some essentials. So yeah, 2 hours later, well, an hour later, I look so nice and snatched. My makeup looks amazing. I cannot believe. But anyway, this is after an hour and my hair is not completely dry. But then again, your girl needs to go get some essentials and stuff. And I mean, why not, since I was waiting for my mom, and I completely love this look. I've had this look for about a week, no, 3 days, and it looks amazing. It's still as intact as it was when I did it, and I think this will be perfect for work. And yeah guys, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. And honestly, look at me. Like, look at me, like, hello, hello, hello. And all right guys, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video.